The AMV World Tour. Today we are in Hong Kong with this grilled seaweed snack. And it says fresh and clean, tasty, roasted quickly and slightly on 300 degrees. That's basically, I've just read that off there. These are Hong Kong, come from Hong Kong. I went all the way to Hong Kong to buy these, to test them for you so you can see what these are like. But there they are, grilled seaweed snack. I can't even read English that well, let alone trying to read anything else. Vegan and gluten free. Look at that, we cater for all needs. Let's open these up and get one out. 3 in a packet. Three in a packet, look at them, that's really light as well. Olive oiled, seaweeded, snacked. I think you can just eat it, I'm sure. It don't say nothing about cooking. It says it's got your vitamins, it's got iron, vitamin B1, B2, vitamin C. It's got everything you need. It's a meal. I'll read this bit as well. The grilled seaweed of Kokonga holds flavour of the live mud flat of the ocean. I just read that as best as I could. Like I say, the English ain't always coming across how I read it, but yeah, Hong Kong seaweed. I'm excited about this one. I have had seaweed before, but not in a little pack like this. Sometimes you order like a takeaway and you get a bit on the side or a bit mixed in someone. I think it's alright. I never had it on its own. At the top it says product of Korea. It says product of Korea, but on this I don't want to mess up. I want to make sure I'm in the right country. I thought I was in Hong Kong. I might be in Korea. I'm sure it just said something at the back about Hong Kong. I've read it wrong. Today we are in Korea. We are in Korea. Yeah, we're in Korea. I got it wrong. We're not in Hong Kong. I got on the wrong plane. We are in Korea. Let's open this up. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Seaweed strips. It's like they're individual strips. Look. Look at that. Smells quite grassy. What do? Just fold it over and slip it in? Is it going to crumble? No, it folds. That's not for me. That not for me. That is very fishy. I don't mind fish. I don't mind seafood. Don't get me wrong. That is very, very fishy and sandy and very salty. Maybe you meant to have it with something. I'm lost for words. I don't know what to say. I really didn't think that's quite see-through and thin was going to have that much flavour in it. It's really, really strong. You get a lot for your money. You get a load of strips. I'm not knocking it. Oh, what's that on the bottom? Oh, what's that? Oh, that's them things so that it stays fresh, I guess. Silica gel things. That was really strong, like really salty, really seaweedy. I've never experienced a taste like that. And I've had seaweed before. This was a different kind of seaweed. I put a bit more in, and this is just because. Oh. I've never had something so fishy and salty in my life. Remember to subscribe to the Adam Val channel to carry on watching this world tour. Them seaweed ain't for me.